Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Globe account allows international roaming and that you have enough balance or an active roaming pass. This prevents service blocks. Once done, power cycle your phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network scan. Make sure your phone's network mode supports the destination bands. If unsure, switch to automatic network selection so your device can pick a compatible operator. This step resolves most registration issues quickly. You now dive into network settings. Open mobile networks, turn data roaming on, and try manual network selection to pick a host carrier. This often forces registration when automatic selection fails. Next, verify the APN. Make sure it matches Globe's roaming APN settings so data and MMS route correctly. If you use eSIM plus a physical SIM, temporarily disable one to avoid conflicts, and reinsert the SIM if the phone won't register. You finish by rebooting the device so all changes apply, then test voice, SMS, and mobile data on the selected network. Confirm at least one call connects. If roaming still fails, contact Globe support and provide your IMEI, SIM ICSID, and the exact time and location of the failure so they can trace registration attempts. As a practical workaround, purchase a brief roaming pass or use a local prepaid SIM. This gets you connected while support investigates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.